Pay-per-call affiliate marketing is a performance-based approach in which an affiliate gets money for generating phone calls for a firm. Unlike typical internet affiliate marketing, where clicks may result in a purchase, this approach focuses solely on generating phone call relationships. This is how it works. Affiliates promote companies and encourage people to call them. Businesses often pay affiliates a flat fee for each eligible call they originate. Call tracking guarantees that each call is credited to the correct affiliate. Why pay per call? For newcomers in 2025, pay-per-call affiliate marketing is a viable alternative for various reasons. Phone contacts result in higher conversion rates because clients can ask questions and receive immediate responses. Value for business. Companies pay for the leads generated through phone calls, making it a profitable niche. Less competition. Pay-per-call affiliate marketing is relatively new compared to the overcrowded e-commerce affiliate marketing industry. Get started with Call Profits. Call Profits is an exclusive training course and system with hands-on instruction tailored exclusively for beginners. Here's how to begin your journey. 1. Select the right niche. Your first step is to identify a specialty that interests you. Consider your areas of expertise or interest. Pay-per-call's most popular niches include legal services, healthcare at home services, financial services. 2. Join relevant affiliate programs. Once you've identified a niche, join an affiliate program or offer that provides pay-per-call marketing. 3. Create targeted marketing content. You need captivating content to get potential clients to contact you. This could be blog posts have call to action buttons, social media advertising using direct call connections, email marketing campaigns. 4. Use call tracking tools. Implement a call tracking tool to monitor your efforts' success. This feature will help you determine which marketing methods are effective. Here are some tools to consider. 5. Optimize your marketing strategy using CallRail, Invoca, and Marchex. Analyzing your findings will show you what works and what doesn't. Monitor your advertising efforts using the following criteria: calling data, customer feedback, conversion rates, common mistakes to avoid. Every starter makes mistakes. Here are some typical problems to avoid: ignoring your target audience, identify your ideal consumer, and tailor your marketing efforts appropriately. Neglecting call tracking. Without adequate tracking, you won't know which techniques are beneficial. Failure to optimize. Always seek ways to improve your strategy based on data. Conclusion: pay-per-call affiliate marketing is an excellent alternative for beginners looking to make money in 2025. With the correct advice from Call Profits experts, a clear strategy, and the will to succeed, you may begin a profitable career in this expanding area. Stay engaged, keep learning, and watch your revenue grow.